Hello, my name is Dr. Anil Sharma, and I am the founder of Canadian Hair Transplant. We are focused exclusively around hair restoration surgery, and everything we do is to promote the best practice and outcomes within this field of medicine, which we love very, very much. We have a fantastic team. We have a team of over 8 individuals who perform this surgery full time, and I rely on my team for support. The critical steps to obtain the grafts and design the hairline are all performed by myself. The consultation process is one of the, if not the most important parts of any treatment plan. It really allows us to gain a better understanding of who the patient is, what they desire, and also for us to educate the patient realistically in terms of outcomes, what's expected. We're really trying to listen to your aesthetic needs, how your hair is going to flow, how you wish it to look at the end of the process. So we really try to tailor the patient's needs to get them the best results.
My name is Alex Daranowski, and I'm the marketing manager at Canadian Hair Transplant Centre. If you're curious about hair transplants, the best first step is booking a consultation. Sit down with Dr. Sharma and see if a hair transplant is the right decision for you.